Every morning, millions of people wake up to the sound of an alarm clock ready to face another day. The routine is familiar: rush through traffic, settle at an office desk, and juggle bills that seem to grow with each passing month. You might wonder if you're doing everything right, studying hard, working diligently, and saving whenever possible. Why does life still feel like it's getting harder every year? This isn't just a streak of bad luck. There's a deeper reason, one that most people never see coming. Today, we're going to uncover the middle class trap nobody talks about. Decades, the middle class was sold a dream: work hard, live comfortably, and move forward in life. This promise was the foundation for generations, offering hope and motivation. But as time passed, the rules quietly shifted. The timeline from the past to the present shows a slow rise in wages, but a much faster climb in living costs. The gap between what you earn and what you spend keeps widening, making it harder to get ahead. Stability that once seemed guaranteed now feels just out of reach. While everyone was busy following the old rules: study, work, save, the world changed. Wages started to lag behind the rising costs of living. The middle class, once the backbone of society, began to feel the squeeze. It wasn't a sudden collapse, but a slow, creeping pressure that made each year a little tougher than the last. The rules changed quietly, and most people didn't even notice until it was too late. Let's break down the first trap: costs versus pay. Picture your paycheck being split into rent, food, loan payments, and subscriptions. Each year, these expenses grow, often faster than your salary does. Salaries might increase a little, but the cost of rent, education, healthcare, and daily necessities rises much more quickly. The result: the middle class ends up paying more and more, but they're not actually getting richer. Instead, they're working harder just to stay in the same place. As expenses keep climbing, the middle class finds itself squeezed from all sides. Rent takes a bigger chunk, groceries cost more, and even small luxuries become harder to justify. It's not just about numbers on a spreadsheet, it's about the stress and anxiety that come with never feeling secure. The dream of upward mobility starts to fade, replaced by the constant worry of making ends meet. Second trap is all about status pressure. Social media is filled with images of upgrades, new gadgets, and exotic vacations. The middle class isn't poor enough to stop spending, but not rich enough to spend without worry. So to keep up appearances, many start borrowing, swiping credit cards, and taking out loans. It's a cycle that's hard to break, driven by the desire to fit in and not fall behind. Everywhere you look, there's pressure to upgrade, whether it's your phone, your car, or your lifestyle. The middle class feels caught in the middle, not struggling enough to opt out, but not wealthy enough to indulge freely. This leads to a dangerous habit of spending beyond one's means, often financed by credit. The result is a growing pile of debt and a constant feeling of being behind. Third trap is the lack of a safety margin. Imagine facing a sudden medical bill, a job loss, or an unexpected expense. For many in the middle class, just one emergency can drain savings and throw everything into chaos. There's little room for error and no cushion to fall back on. This constant vulnerability adds another layer of stress to daily life. For many, living paycheck to paycheck is the norm. There's always the fear that one missed paycheck or unexpected bill could tip the balance. This lack of margin means that even small setbacks can have big consequences. It's a fragile existence where security feels like a distant dream. Why does this trap go unnoticed? Partly because the middle class keeps the system running. They pay taxes, buy products, and quietly absorb the pressure. Headlines talk about growth and opportunity while ads push the next upgrade. The struggles of the middle class are often invisible, hidden behind a facade of normalcy and quiet endurance. Middle class is the backbone of the economy. They work, pay taxes, and keep businesses afloat, but because they're so essential, their struggles are often overlooked. The system relies on their quiet resilience, expecting them to keep going no matter how tough things get. This silent endurance is both their strength and their vulnerability. Growth headlines and advertisements create the illusion that everyone is moving forward. But for many in the middle class, progress feels like running in place. The constant push to upgrade and consume masks the reality of stagnating wages and rising costs. It's easy to believe that things are getting better, even when your own experience says otherwise. Middle class absorbs economic shocks quietly. When prices rise or jobs become unstable, they adjust their budgets, cut back on luxuries, and keep moving forward. This ability to adapt is admirable, but it also means their struggles often go unnoticed. The pressure builds slowly, making it hard to pinpoint when things started to go wrong. Unlike dramatic crises, the middle class trap is quiet. There's no single moment of disaster, just a gradual tightening of the belt, a slow erosion of security. This silence makes the trap even more dangerous because it's easy to ignore until it's too late. The danger lies in its subtlety. It's important to understand that this isn't about working harder. The middle class is already working long hours, juggling multiple responsibilities, and doing their best to get ahead. The problem isn't a lack of effort, it's a system that's stacked against them. Recognizing this is the first step toward change. To escape the trap, you have to see the system clearly. It's not just about personal choices or bad luck, it's about understanding how the rules have changed. By recognizing the forces at play, you can start to make smarter decisions and look for ways to protect yourself and your family. Awareness comes before escape. The more you understand about the middle-class trap, the better equipped you are to navigate it. Knowledge is a powerful tool helping you spot the warning signs and avoid common pitfalls. It's the first step toward building a more secure future. The middle-class trap is dangerous precisely because it's so quiet. There are no alarms, no headlines, just a slow, steady erosion of security. This silence makes it easy to overlook the warning signs until the situation becomes critical. Staying alert and informed is essential. It's time to look beyond the surface and see the reality facing the middle class. By understanding the traps and pressures, you can start to make choices that protect your well-being. Clarity is the foundation for change, and it starts with honest conversations about what's really happening. Escaping the middle-class trap isn't easy, but it's possible. It starts with awareness, continues with smart financial decisions, and grows with community support. By sharing knowledge and supporting each other, the middle class can begin to reclaim stability and security. As we zoom out and look at the bigger picture, it's clear that the middle-class trap is real and it's affecting millions. But with greater awareness and a willingness to challenge the status quo, change is possible. Remember, the first step is seeing the system for what it is. Only then can you begin to find your way out.